What's up, YouTube? Guys, here we are for another video. This is day 2 of the rides I'm doing, but got the Rmax back. Guys, most of you all know this thing was in the shop for about 35 days. I done a video on the axles, how I thought they could be weak. Well, we're getting ready to find out. I've actually got my buddy with me today. This one of my best friends, grew up with him. He just bought this machine. It's a little 800S. He got it for his son. So we're going to try it out today as well. But guys, the first task at hand, this is called Bald Knob. You can see the climb up top. I've come here probably about 4 times now. But after the heavy rains, it's actually gotten pretty rough. So this will be a good first test for the Rmax. I know of a few people that's actually got stuck on it, and somebody told me a YXZ rolled off of it. So we'll see what the Rmax is made of. I told you guys when I got that Rmax, we're going to find out how fast it is. We're going to find out how good of a rock crawler it is. And it's like I told you all before, my channel, we don't put no false information out there. If there's a weakness to it, right now I think it's got weak axles. I'm going to tell you about it. But right now, we're going to find out what kind of rock crawler it is. So you guys stay tuned. Hope you all enjoy.
I think you can get better camera views too. With more than that.
Oh, yeah. For sure, dude. If I had somebody with me, I could do real well. You nervous? You better buckle up.
I trust you. Hey, are you gonna do me, are you?
No, but you ain't no guarantee, son. Anything you do. The edge, this thing ain't gonna help. Dude, this right here's gotten rougher, boys. Alright, let's step out. Guys, I hate keep using the word guys all the time, but it is what it is. But anyway, check this out. A couple buddies of mine just put this flag up here not too long ago. It's killer, but as you all seen on the video, Rmax, it ate that up pretty good. But for all you people out there watching this that has Rmax, this is the first time I've ever had the Rmax here. I've been here several times on RS1, but that hill, I'm telling you, it gets rougher every time I come up here. But guys, stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next one.